Today's lesson is on family, okay? The word family. So family in Samoan is Aiga. And when we're talking about extended family, is Aiga lautele. Okay, when you're talking about my family or your family, when you're referring to yourself, is Olo'u Aiga. Okay, when you say my extended family, Olo'u Aiga lautele. Okay. And then for children, when it comes to children, the word is Fanau. Okay, so remember, Fanau is when you're using it, when you're telling somebody about your kids. Ola o Fanau. Okay, you can also ask somebody about their kids. How are your kids? Wow, my love Fanau. But if you want to use a respectful word, or using respectful language, is Oa Mayo Walo. It doesn't matter if it's a boy, girl, or you just say Halo Oa Mayo Walo, meaning how are your children? Okay. So, but when you answer, doesn't matter who's answering this about their kids, or like for an example, me, I would say O lo'o manuia sia o whanau, meaning my kids are fine. Okay, so that would be the lesson for today. Hope you continue to learn Samoan. You have a great evening or a great day. Bye.